We are here at 210 Dryden Road. We are in about the middle of the hall on the second floor. We're going into room 23. Let's go on in and take a look. So we've got the full-size bed. You can see the furnishings over here on our right. We have the bookshelf. There's a dresser, desk and chair, and the small fridge. It does have a freezer as well. You also have access to the refrigerator, the larger size kitchen appliances in the kitchen at the end of the hall. The end of the hall also has the 2 bathrooms for the floor. We are in the dense section of Collegetown, so we have buildings around us. This is Collegetown Court across the street from us. So this is a look at 210 Dryden Road, room 23. This room has 2 windows facing to the west, looking at Collegetown Court. Here's the closet over here. This one is a deeper closet, so it does actually have some pretty good storage space. The fan for the room is in the closet. It's not put in the window, but you can put that in or take that out whenever you like. And this building is located half a block up from the main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block to campus.